Good evening, everyone. See this. This is a concave mirror. How can you see this? In this concave mirror, you can see a bending shape in this. It looks like bending inwards. We cannot see the clear image, but it is bending inwards. You can see the clear image of bending somewhat inwards. It looks like somewhat bending inwards. And if you see clearly, it is bending like this. Small bending inside. This we call a small aperture. In this, the mirror is small bending inwards. Small bending inwards. See here clearly. It looks like small bending inwards. Now, this we call it as concave mirror. In this mirror, this is inside. Cave is inside. It looks like cave inside. We call it as convex mirror. And it looks like outside, backside, it's like bulged. It's like somewhat bulged. So inside it is like cave shape. You can see the image clearly. See, it looks like cave shape. You are getting the image like a cave shape. This we call it as concave mirror. Now all of you see this convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. You can see the clear image of what it is there here. Now you can see here. Any object backside, you can see clearly in that. So this is convex mirror. You can see somewhat like bulged like this, somewhat bulged like this. It looks like the mirror is bulged like this. See here, it looks like it is bulged like this. This side is bulged, means it is like this. Okay, now back side, see, it looks like somewhat bending like this back side, and here it is like bulged. So this is convex mirror and this is concave mirror. You can see the slight difference between a concave and convex. You can see slight difference. This is convex, this is concave, this is concave, and this is convex. Okay, this is concave, this is convex. Now let us do the experiment of real image and virtual images. Okay, how to find a real image and how to find a virtual images. First, I am taking concave mirror. This is concave mirror. With this concave mirror, I think you can see the concave mirror clearly. With this concave mirror, I am going to check real image or virtual image we are getting. Okay. This is concave mirror. With this concave mirror, we are going to do the experiment. This is a concave mirror. You can see the concave mirror here. Now, we are going to find what is the real image and virtual image. Now see, you can see the image is falling on the screen. Candle image, you can see the candle image falling on the screen. You can see the candle image falling on the screen. But now what happens? Now check it. Here you cannot see the image clearly in the screen. Now what I am doing? I am keeping the reverse way of this mirror. Reverse way. See here. You can see the image falling on the screen. The image is falling on the screen here. So this image we call it as real image. The image, it is not falling on the mirror. It is directly falling, this object is directly falling on the mirror and it is directly reflected on the screen. So this is what we call it as real image. You can see the exact image but in the inverted direction, reverse direction. See the candle tip is here, this is here. The image which is caught on the screen, we call it as real image. But if you take a convex mirror, I am taking the convex mirror, this is convex mirror. With this convex mirror, if I check it, the image is falling on the mirror. So the image is falling on the mirror. Now if I take this mirror here, you cannot see any image formations on the screen. Can you see any image formations on the screen? Means you are getting only the image is not falling on the screen. The image is only falling on the mirror. So this we call it as the image which can be the object image which is falling on the mirror. We call it as virtual image. The image which is inside the mirror we call it as virtual image. The image which can be caught on the screen, we call it as real image.